Hey guys, I'm Prem Solanki, the editech guy, and in this video we are going to do a full unboxing of Thermaltake TR2 series 550W power supply. And as you can see, this power supply comes with 3 years of warranty and it is 80 plus power supply and it is Haswell and Erp Ready. On the side we have the Thermaltake logo. Here we have a product photo. On the bottom it says it is 85% efficiency power supply. And here we also have the product photo. So coming to the back, we have the efficiency curve and all the connector specification option. We get this with power supply. So now let's take the knife and remove the shrink wrap. So now that the plastic is removed, let's open the box. So on the top, we get the warranty statement. So here we have the user manual which we get with the power supply, and it has all the specific detail you need for this power supply. So here we have a cable, which is a power cable. As you can see, it is a European plug. Inside the pouch we also get 4 screws for mounting this power supply. And here is the final thing which we get is the power supply itself. Okay, so let's remove the bubble wrap. So here is the power supply itself. As you can see, on the top we have a fan. It's a top or bottom depending on your case, but we have a fan here with a fan grill. It is a 120mm fan and it is a silent fan with a ball bearing, so it will run very silent on your PC. So here we have some kind of grill and we have a AC power input with a switch for on and off. So on the side we have the brand logo itself, and here we have all the specification regarding this power supply, which are like what kind of voltage it has and what kind of ampere it can support. So with this power supply you get one main power connector which is 24 pins, and you get a one ATS connector which is 24 volts and 4 plus 4 pin, and you get 2 PCIe connector which is 6 plus 2 pins, and you get 5 SATA power connector and 4 peripheral connector which is a Molex connector and 1 floppy connector. So guys, this was the full unboxing of Thermaltake TR2 S series 550W power supply and brief overview. So if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and next video we may do the full in-depth review of this power supply. So stay tuned.